Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down structure and brand so every page reads as one site. Choose a responsive template and set a 16:9 layout. This gives predictable spacing across devices. Upload your logo and pick one primary color and one accent so elements contrast clearly. Then select one body font and one heading font to avoid clutter. Finally, set site width and header height and turn on global navigation so visitors always know where they are. Once structure is set, you assemble content with a designer's eye. Use section backgrounds and 2 or 3 column grids to create visual hierarchy. Keep spacing consistent at about 0.5:1. 0 rem so sections breathe. Add high-quality images optimized for web, then apply a subtle overlay or gradient tint for legibility. Standardize CTA buttons and icons so actions are obvious. Make sure interactive elements have 1 unit of padding and consistent alignment. You finish by testing and troubleshooting before publishing. Preview the site on mobile, tablet, and desktop. Tweak responsive stacks and hide elements meant only for desktop. Compress images and clear the cache so pages load under about 3 seconds. If something breaks, inspect any custom CSS or embedded scripts first, then remove recent changes one at a time to find the cause. Once fixed, republish and recheck. You'll know it's done when navigation, spacing, and buttons feel cohesive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.